Hey guys, hope you're having a terrific week. Thank you for tuning in to listen to my GTA Market Pulse update for the month of April. My name is Sam Najjar, and this month's update will focus on three important messages. Message number one is the sky is not falling and the real estate market in the GTA is not crashing. Message number two, the GTA real estate market is actually still a very healthy market. And message number three is today's market is a great market for move-up buyers. So let's start by talking about the message number one, and that's the sky is not falling. You may have heard a lot of doom and gloom recently in the media relating to real estate, but let's pause for a second and analyze the numbers a little bit more closely. Yes, the number of sales have dropped since March of last year, but let's remember what happened in March of last year. Home sales actually hit an all-time high, so any year in comparison really will look bad. Prices too hit their peak in March 2017 as inventory levels dropped and demand was through the roof. Something really had to be done because such a market would not have been sustainable in the long term. And that's why the provincial government stepped in and intervened in April, introduced the Fair Housing Plan. The Bank of Canada upped the interest rates a couple of times, and the federal government tightened the mortgage qualification rules. Understandably, all of this led to things slowing down. So with all of that said, really, if we were comparing year-over-year numbers, we should be looking at April of this year to April of last year, because things started slowing down in April last year. So that's message number one. Message number two is the GTA real estate market is actually still a very healthy market. If we were to look at numbers from January of this year to March, we'll notice that sales and prices have actually been going up, which is an indication that the market's strengthening, and months of inventory have been going down. We're actually right now at an average of 2.2 months of inventory in the GTA market, which is representative of a very healthy market. Just for your reference, when we were talking about months of inventory and we say anything less than 5 months, it's representative of a seller's market. Anything over 7 months, it's a buyer's market, and anything at the 6-month mark is a balanced market. April will really be a telltale month of where things are headed, and if the last 3 months of this year are any indication of where things are going to go, then the indication is that things are going to go upwards at a steady pace. Message number three is the market that we're in right now is actually amazing for move-up buyers. If we look at the category of homes that experienced the strongest reduction in prices, it's the detached home category. So if you own a condo townhouse, or a freehold townhome, the prices actually held their own and they're going up. And the price gap essentially between the detached home category and the lower home categories is narrowing, which means that if you own something that's in the lower home type categories, you should really take advantage of the market, sell, and move up to something that's become more affordable. That's my update for this month. Hope you found the information valuable and informative. Thanks for tuning in and listening to the video in its entirety. And if you did like it, and if you could take a minute and share it with your family and friends, I'd really appreciate it. And please do not hesitate to call or email me if you need any more information or specifics about your local market. Until then, take care and all the best. Bye for now.